Hey everyone, today I will show you how to watch YouTube in your car. I'm going to demonstrate a safe way to access YouTube in your vehicle. Before we delve into it, let's emphasize a crucial point. Safety is paramount. Under no circumstances should you use this application while driving. With that said, let's explore the solution. CarTube. This application enables you to enjoy YouTube and other platforms directly from your car. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply connect your device via Bluetooth or using a wired connection with CarPlay, and voila! You'll have access to YouTube content right on your car's screen. Remember, safety always comes first on the road. Before we proceed, let's cover two essential checks, particularly for iOS users. Android users can skip ahead to the main installation method. First, navigate to your device settings. Head to General and tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data is selected. This ensures that the app can update and operate smoothly in the background. Next, return to the settings menu and click on Battery. Ensure that the low power mode option is unchecked. Keeping this option disabled is crucial as it could potentially hinder the app's performance. These steps are vital to optimize your device for the installation process. Once you've completed these checks, we can proceed with installing the app. Let's get started. Now, on to the final step. Open your browser and go to findplugin.com. This is a verified site offering various modded applications. Search for CarTube, click on it, and you'll see a window displaying details like download count and community ratings. Hit the download button, and the system will begin downloading and installing the necessary files. It should be quick, and once it's done, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating successful installation. If not, it may require additional file downloads, but don't worry, the process is straightforward. There is a guide on the website that will show you exactly how to do it. Once everything's installed, you're good to go. As you can see, it works perfect. And there you have it. That's all it takes to get CarTube. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful and everything's working smoothly for you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks, and see you in my next video.